All right, Brian, just wanted to give you an update. I got your code. I modified some of these right here. Um, let's see, the LED and button and the motors, these pins here, just to match my robot. And then what I did, code looks good. I made a couple changes. So if I go here to loop, all right, I added the LED. I wanted to, first I turn off the LED at the beginning of the loop. And then what I do is I say, if the random number is 1, turn the LED on. If the random number is 2, turn the LED off. So I just wanted to do that as so I can actually see on my robot if it got a 1 or 2. And then going down, I left all this the same. So no change here. I like what you did here. That if it's a random number 1, turn right. If it's number 2, turn left. Now, one thing we need to keep in mind, once it's finished here, it's going to go back to the beginning of the loop, right? It's going to go right here, and then take a new random number, turn on or off, depending on what the number is, and then it's going to go back here and wait. So it's just going to keep looping that routine where it's once it's finished turning all the way at the bottom, it's going to go back to the beginning, do the random number stuff with the light, and then wait again for you to press a button, because that's what this part does, right? It's not going to go past here until you press the button. Now the key thing here that I changed is this right here. Random 1, 3. It used to be just random 3. I put a little comment here to explain why, but since I'm talking to the camera, I'm just going to explain it. So if you just have random 3, it's actually, you may get a 0 as well. So it could be 0, 1, or 2. Now, if you don't want the 0, you have to say random 1, 3. So 1 is going to be the minimum value, and they say it's inclusive, so that means that one is also a possibility for the minimum. If it was exclusive, then it would have to be like greater than 1. So then you'd only have 2 as an option, and you couldn't have 1 as an option. Now the 3, that's the maximum. So the 3 is correct, and the maximum is exclusive. So basically, it'll give you any random number that has to be less than 3. So it's kind of confusing because the minimum is inclusive and the maximum is exclusive. So it's just kind of the way that it's written. So if you want a 1 or a 2 to come up randomly, this is the command you need. Random 1, 3. Okay, so I have my serial monitor here and it's my robot. I'm going to upload this and kind of show you what happens, okay? All right. It's uploading. Hold on. Hold on. Let me make sure this is all good. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Try one more time. Hold on. Let me unplug. Let me go back. Okay, let's try one more time here. Okay, it should work this time. Okay, there. Now we got it. Okay, so you can see it showed 1 here. So that means it's uploaded. and the light turns on because it says LED, comma high if random's 1. Okay, so that means if I go down, at the end of all this stuff, it should turn right. All right. Now it's not doing anything because I have to press the button first. So I'm going to press the button. I'm just going to hold it up in the air. Press the button. Okay, now it's going to the code where it's going to wait for the ultrasonic thing. It's going to move forward, and then I'm going to stop it. Okay? And then it turns. All right, so now what did it do? It went back. I'm going to hold it like this. It went back to the beginning, and you see it has a second 1 now. So this means this time it had a random 1 again. So it should turn right again. Let me stop it. Okay, now it's looped it. Oh, but this time it got a random 2. Cool. It's gonna go. All right, this time it got a random 1 again because I'm looking at the serial monitor. The serial monitor here, I got a 1 again. Okay, this should be a 2. Now it's 2. Now I want you to notice when it's 1 versus 2, the wheel that turns, the turn should be different. Yep, see, for 2 it was this one. So 1, it was this wheel. For 2, it's this wheel. So it says 1 this time, so it should be this wheel. I'm going to stop. Yeah, that wheel. All right, so good job. I like what you did here with the random. Give it a shot. Have some fun. All right, have a great summer. It's been great teaching you, and I love that you just kept going with this, man. So awesome job. Take care.